Welcome back to the channel Future Speed Hub 2026. Today we are going to explore one of the most fascinating aircraft innovations in modern aviation history, the QF-16. This aircraft is a unique and highly advanced version of the legendary F-16 Fighting Falcon, but with a completely new role that pushes the boundaries of technology, training, and unmanned aerial systems. The QF-16 is not just another jet, it is a full-scale aerial target drone, designed to help train the next generation of fighter pilots and test the latest air-to-air and surface-to-air weapons with unmatched precision. The QF-16 was created as a solution to replace the aging fleet of QF-4 Phantom drones that had served for decades as aerial targets. With the ever-evolving landscape of air combat and weapons systems, it became clear that a more capable, modern, and maneuverable aircraft was needed to simulate advanced threats in the sky. The F-16, already proven in combat with incredible speed, agility, and versatility, was chosen as the perfect airframe to be converted into a drone system. Retired F-16s were taken and modified with advanced drone technology, giving birth to the QF-16 program. What makes the QF-16 so remarkable is that it is a fully functional fighter jet that can be flown either by a pilot in the cockpit or completely remotely as an unmanned aerial vehicle. This dual capability allows the aircraft to be flown in real-world missions as a drone target for live-fire exercises without risking human lives. In its drone mode, the QF-16 can be controlled from the ground by skilled operators, performing advanced maneuvers that simulate real enemy aircraft in combat scenarios. This makes it invaluable for training fighter pilots, who get to practice with a real aircraft instead of a simulated one. The QF-16 plays a vital role in the United States Air Force's training and testing programs. By providing a realistic target that mirrors the capabilities of modern adversaries, it ensures that pilots are fully prepared for the challenges of modern air warfare. It is capable of supersonic speeds, rapid climbs, tight turns, and evasive maneuvers, just like a manned fighter. Weapons developers and defense contractors also rely on the QF-16 to test the effectiveness of new missiles, bombs, and defense systems in real-life scenarios. Every flight provides critical data that helps improve weapon accuracy and effectiveness, directly contributing to national security. Another unique aspect of the QF-16 program is how it gives retired fighter jets a new purpose. Instead of being scrapped or displayed in museums, these aircraft continue to serve in a new and critical role. Each QF-16 is fitted with specialized equipment that allows it to transmit flight data, receive ground control inputs, and even eject a pilot in emergency situations when flown in manned mode. This versatility ensures that the aircraft can be used in a wide variety of training missions. The first flight of the QF-16 took place in 2010, and since then, the program has expanded significantly. These aircraft are primarily operated out of Tyndall Air Force Base in Florida and Holloman Air Force Base in New Mexico, where live-fire training missions and weapons testing are conducted. During these exercises, fighter pilots may engage QF-16s with real weapons, practicing dogfights, missile engagements, and air-to-air tactics against a highly maneuverable and authentic target. The presence of the QF-16 has made a tremendous difference in ensuring pilot readiness and the reliability of modern weapon systems. With global threats evolving and new fighter aircraft being developed by potential adversaries, having a realistic training platform is critical. The QF-16 is one of the few systems that allow such realism, and it continues to push the boundaries of what unmanned technology can achieve. In many ways, the QF-16 is a bridge between the past and the future of aviation. While it is based on the iconic F-16, which has been flying since the 1970s, it also represents the future with its unmanned capabilities and technological integration. It highlights how military aviation is adapting to modern challenges, where drones and autonomous systems are becoming more central to air combat and defense strategies. The QF-16 is not a combat aircraft in the traditional sense, but its importance to the U.S. Air Force cannot be overstated. It saves lives by removing the need for pilots in dangerous test missions, it ensures that pilots are well prepared for battle, and it helps guarantee that the weapons of tomorrow will be effective and reliable. Each mission flown by a QF-16 contributes to a safer and stronger defense system for the future. As we look ahead, the QF-16 stands as a symbol of innovation and adaptability. It shows how technology can transform older aircraft into cutting-edge tools that serve vital roles in national defense. With continued development, we can expect even more advanced uses of drone technology in the years to come. Thank you for watching Future Speed Hub 2026. The QF-16 is truly a remarkable aircraft, proving that even after decades of service, the F-16 platform continues to shape the skies in new and unexpected ways. Stay tuned for more exciting details about the world's fastest, most advanced, and most innovative aircraft. I see you in the next video.